In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Thinkorswim memory. If your charts feel sluggish, scans take too long, or the platform slows down during busy market hours, adjusting the memory settings can make a noticeable difference. We'll walk through exactly where to find the option and how to choose values that fit your computer. First, close Thinkorswim completely. Click the X button in the upper right corner of the Thinkorswim window to exit the program like you would with any other desktop app. If you had any work open, make sure it's saved before closing so nothing is lost. Now, start Thinkorswim again, but don't log in yet. We want to make the change from the login screen because that's where the memory settings are located and they're only available before you sign in. On the login screen, look down to the bottom left corner. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. Click that gear. This opens a dialog that includes memory usage. You'll typically see two fields: minimum memory in megabytes, which is the amount the app starts with, and maximum memory, which is the ceiling the app can grow to as you open charts, scans, and tools. Here's how to think about those numbers. The minimum should be high enough that the platform has room to breathe right away, and the maximum should be generous but not so high that it starves your operating system or other apps. Everything here is in megabytes, so 1024 MB equals about 1 gigabyte. If your computer has 8 GB of RAM, a practical setup is a minimum around 1024 to 1536 MB and a maximum around 3072 to 4096 MB. With 16 GB of RAM, consider a minimum around 2048 MB and a maximum around 61444 to 8192 MB. If you're on 32 GB or more, you can go higher, such as a 4096 MB minimum and a 1288 to 16384 MB maximum. As a general guideline, leave several gigabytes free for your system and any other programs you'll run alongside Thinkorswim. If you overshoot and allocate too much, you might see overall system slowdown, so it's better to increase in sensible steps and observe performance. Once you've entered the values that match your setup, click Save. Then log in to Thinkorswim as you normally would. The platform will use your new memory limits as it runs, which should help with smoother charting, faster scans, and fewer slowdowns during peak activity. That's it. Close the app, reopen to the login screen, click the gear, set your minimum and maximum memory, save, and log in. With the right balance, you'll get a more responsive experience without overloading your system.